Hi Racer, and today I'm going to be showing how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So first, let's scribble the cube. So we'll start with the piece that has the white sticker that has a name on it. So it's blue and orange. So we need to find a piece that's blue and red so it will fit here. So if we find the piece here, we need to drag it on top to the position it needs to go. So this piece needs to go here. And then we'll do an algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. You have to keep on doing it until it gets solved. Then we'll find the next piece, which is red and green, which needs to line up with the red. So we'll do it again. R, U, R prime, U prime. So it gets there. And the last piece, green and orange. So R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, U prime. R, U, R, U, R. Then we need to solve the yellow face, since we solved the white face completely. So what we need to do is turn the cube upside down so the white solved face is up. And then we need to put the piece a yellow piece that is not on the bottom. Since these two are solved, we can put them here. And then since these two are not solved, we have to solve them. So we do the same algorithm here again. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. And we do that until this piece faces the bottom. So this part may have messed up, but you need to keep on doing it. Now don't rotate your cube to the next one. Just move the bottom piece to the part it's on the right hand corner. And this needs to go here. You just need to flip it. So do it R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. So if you see, this piece the entire cube gets solved. And that's it. But just to show you how fast I can solve it, I'll just mix it up and show you. So now it's scrambled up. So now we'll start to solve it. That's how you solve it very fast.